Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing Seafile server on Linux. To begin, launch a terminal and run sudo apt-update and sudo apt-upgrade to install any available software updates. Then we'll use apt-install to install a few prerequisite packages, including Python, followed by installing the mariadb database backend. We'll elevate our terminal to root privileges using sudo su, then execute the MySQL secure installation script. Follow the prompts to set a MySQL root password and remove known vulnerabilities. Once completed, exit the elevated root terminal. Using the pip3 install command, we'll install the required Python dependencies. Next, we'll create a directory for the Seafile binaries to live, then cd into the new directory. Using the add user command, we'll create a local Seafile user account. Follow the prompts to create the new user account. Then set it as the owner of the Seafile directory we just created. Next, we'll switch users to the Seafile account. Then download the latest Seafile build using wget. We'll extract the downloaded tar.gz file, change directory into the extracted folder, then execute the setup Seafile MySQL shell script. Follow the prompts to set the Seafile server name, domain name, and port. Select option 1 to create a new Seafile database. When prompted, use the video description to complete setting up the MySQL database connection. Review the configuration summary, then press enter to continue. Next, we'll edit the gunicorn.conf.py file using the nano editor. Edit the bind IP address, changing it to 0.0.0.0. Then save the changes and close out of Nano. We're now ready to start the Seafile server and chub web UI. Execute cfile.sh, then chub.sh to start the two processes. When prompted, enter an administrator email and enter and confirm a password. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host, :8000. Log in using the administrator email and password we just set up. Welcome to Seafile, installed natively on your Linux device.